beauties, VickyJ here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers and my new ones. It's always a pleasure to have you. So from the title, I'll be doing another protective style guide. If you guys have checked out my two previous videos where I did feed-in braids to my hair, I'm going to put those videos up in the cards. You guys can go and check them out. But today I'm going to be trying my hands at box braids. They look very easy to maintain, and I've been watching a lot of videos on how to install this, and I found a really easy way how I can go about doing this, guys. So I picked up this hair. It's the Easy Twin Professional. It's itchless, easy braiding. It gives you a natural look. It's hot water set, pre-layered, and it's also pre-stretched hair. And it does come with 2 bundles in here. So I picked up 2 packs of this hair. Hopefully I don't need more because I don't have a 3rd pack. And it is 24 inches. It is 24 inches here, guys. Now, I looked at a lot of videos to see how to go about doing this a more easy and effective way. Now, I'll be using the rubber band method, and also I'll be using the crochet. I have my crochet little weapon here. You guys have probably seen this a lot of times already. This is the one that does have, you know, the little hook here, and it goes up like that. I also have my rubber bands here that I will be using as well. So since I don't have that grip technique as to installing the hair, I will have to be using these little rubber bands. I'm going to soak them in some olive oil before I go ahead and start, you know, using them on my hair. I'm also going to be moisturizing my hair, and in this container I have the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and also to seal my hair I have my grapeseed oil to seal my hair. Ooh, I forgot to actually smoothen out my edges, you know, to make all of my sections look really neat and everything to be uniform and nice. I have my Lotta Body Edge Control right here that I will be using, you know, to help smoothen down my hair as well. So if you guys want to see how I go ahead and do this hairstyle for the first time, just stay tuned, keep on watching. it turns out that I only used one pack of the hair. So just one pack with the twin bundle inside did my entire head, as you can see. And yeah.